Kids can learn the alphabet with Alphabets, an alphabet and animal playmat. Hi, it's Annette, and I want to share a baby playmat that I completed for a friend's baby using a panel. It's an alphabet playmat which uses the Alphabets Panel by Michael Miller Fabrics. This easy-to-sew design will adapt to almost any baby panel. This child's playmat is intended to serve many years of enjoyment, starting with tummy time to cuddle time, then proceeding to an educational game of finding the animals and the alphabet letters on the mat. It's so handy and can fold up to take anywhere too. I wanted to make sure the mat was large enough for a child to play on. I didn't want them to outgrow it quickly. This alphabet, spelled ALPHABIT panel, measures 24 inches by 44 inches with a center section of charming animal characters and letters of the alphabet, along with 6 animal blocks. After examining it, I decided to only use the center section for the playmat front, accenting it with 2 borders, and using the cute animal squares on the back of the quilt. After designing and calculating the amount of fabric needed, off to the store I went with the panel and tote to purchase some fabric for the border, binding, and backing. When choosing border fabric, one should pull the colors from the panel. I chose the solid blue and a green fabric with dots. See how these fabrics complement the colors in the panel? In this video, I won't be showing you how to make the quilt. This is an inspirational video, but if you want more instructions and information on how much fabric to purchase, where to purchase the alphabet panel, and how to construct this playmat, you will find a link in the video and also in the description section to a page on our website with this information. For the back of the quilt, I kept it simple. I used soft flannel fabric which features splotched fabric colors that complemented the quilt front and incorporated the 6 animal blocks from the panel. I machine quilted the playmat with straight line quilting. Here you can see I used 2 parallel lines going up through the panel. Along the sides here in the blue panel, I did 4 quilting lines. In the outside panel, I did 2, and I also did one along here to hold this part down. A quilt isn't done until it's bound. After quilting, I simply used the same fabric for binding as the outside border to machine bind it to the front and hand stitch it down to the back. This versatile quilt mat is ready for the little one to love. If you like this play mat, you should check out our I Spy quilt playmat, which is the perfect interaction quilt for toddlers. You'll find a link below. That's it. I hope you enjoyed learning about this alphabet and animal playmat. Please like, share, and bookmark. If you're not a subscriber, please be sure to subscribe, along with sharing our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of more free quilting projects and tutorials. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss one of our future videos.